Congratulations! You've just completed your academic journey, a significant milestone that marks the beginning of a new chapter in your life. But as you step into the professional world, have you ever wondered, am I truly prepared for what's next? Today, I want to talk to you about the often overlooked gap between academic knowledge and industry expectations, and how a career training program can bridge that gap, setting you on the path to success. Let's dive into the 10 key areas where career training can make all the difference. 1. Theory versus practical application. In academics, you've mastered theories, principles, and concepts. But in the industry, it's about applying those theories to solve real-world problems. Career training programs provide hands-on experience, transforming your theoretical knowledge into practical skill. 2. Individual projects versus team collaboration. Academics often emphasize individual projects. In contrast, the industry thrives on teamwork and collaboration. A career training program will immerse you in team-based projects, teaching you how to work effectively with others to achieve common goals. 3. Exam-based assessments versus real-time problem-solving. In your studies, success is measured by exams and grades. However, in the industry, it's all about solving problems quickly and efficiently. Career training equips you with critical thinking and problem-solving skills that are essential in high-pressure environments. 4. Structured syllabus versus dynamic work environment. Academics follow a structured syllabus, but in the industry, priorities can shift rapidly. Career training prepares you to adapt to dynamic work environments, where flexibility and quick learning are key. 5. Listening to lectures versus effective communication. While academics focus on absorbing information, the industry values clear and effective communication. Career training helps you develop the ability to present ideas, communicate with clients, and engage with stakeholders, skills that are critical for career growth. 6. Academic writing versus professional documentation. In academia, you've likely written essays and reports, but industry requires precise, concise, and professional documentation. Career training will teach you how to create impactful reports, proposals, and presentations that meet industry standards. 7. Classroom debate versus negotiation skills. Classroom debates sharpen your argumentative skills. However, in the industry, negotiation is key, whether with clients, suppliers, or colleagues. Career training programs provide you with strategies to negotiate effectively, ensuring you can advocate for yourself and your company. 8. Flexible academic deadlines versus strict industry deadlines. In academics, deadlines are often flexible and negotiable, but in the industry, deadlines are critical and non-negotiable. Career training helps you manage time effectively, prioritizing tasks to meet tight deadlines. 9. Controlled academic environment versus unpredictable industry challenges. Academics provide a controlled environment to test ideas. However, the industry is full of unpredictable challenges. Career training programs prepare you to think on your feet, making quick decisions and adjusting to unexpected changes. 10. Graduation certificate versus industry-recognized certifications. Your degree is a significant achievement, but in the industry, certifications that demonstrate specific skills can set you apart. Career training offers certifications recognized by employers, giving you a competitive edge in the job market. Your academic journey has laid a solid foundation. Now it's time to build on that foundation with career training that bridges the gap between what you know and what the industry expects. Invest in your future today, because the best way to predict your future is to create it. Jumpstart your career. Join our training program. We're thrilled to announce the launch of our exclusive WhatsApp group for college graduates and students transitioning from academics to industry. This vibrant community is your gateway to hands-on tips, expert advice, and personalized consultations, all aimed at guiding your career journey. Become a part of our Pharma Professional Network, Alliance for Pharmaceutical and Life Sciences, and connect with industry leaders.